So I had this idea to create a sculpture while I was out hiking the John Muir Trail. You know, you're out there in the middle of nowhere and, you know, you're surrounded by nature and trees, and I was still using my phone. And it was weird. I mean, we had an app that allowed us to find out where our water sources were, use GPS to kind of help track us on trail. You know, you can definitely do hiking and things like that without using your phone, obviously. But the John Muir Trail is a 210-mile trail, and there's a lot of trails that shoot off from the main trail. And so it can be easy to kind of get off trail and get lost. And the last thing you want to do when you're walking 200 miles is put on an extra couple miles that you don't really need to put on. So, you know, I'm walking in the wilderness, and, you know, it was stunning. I mean, just the amount of trees and the lakes and the waterfalls, and you'd have to do it to understand it or to even comprehend what it is you see out there. But, you know, it also made me kind of think that, you know, as a society, we have become so reliant on technology, and it's surrounding us, you know, between our daily use of our phones. Our cars become, you know, more computerized. Our homes are becoming more computerized. Everybody's attached to emails. Everybody's attached to social media. And so, you know, while I was out there hiking, I had plenty of time to think and imagine, and, you know, I kind of thought about what's society going to look like, what's civilization going to look like in, say, 50 years. So I had this idea about doing a sculpture series of building robots. They've gone so far in being robots that they've lost touch with nature. So the series involves creating robots who are rediscovering nature. So it's going to be a childlike robot. So I thought for this particular one I was going to use my CNC machine, and so I'm building the parts right now. I did a wooden mock-up of what I kind of wanted to see. I wanted the articulation, you know, of the ankle and the knee, and then you move up to the hip joint. I'm now doing the metal part of that, so I thought I'd videotape it and kind of share with you the process of what I'm doing in creating this series of robots back to nature. So, there you go. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. It's greatly appreciated. If you liked what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you have a few comments to make, then go ahead and make those down below. And if you're not already a subscriber, then do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And if you have a little extra time on your hands, go ahead and check out some more of my videos. We'll see you next time around.